Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious cucumber from discarded parts. First, gather your cucumber ends and any seeds you might usually throw away. We're going to turn these often overlooked pieces into something truly special. This isn't just about reducing waste, it's about unlocking hidden flavors and textures. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to create a refreshing and flavorful dish using what you already have on hand. Let's dive in and transform those scraps. To begin, you'll need the ends of your cucumbers, ideally about 1 inch in length, and the inner seed pulp. Don't worry if they seem small, these pieces hold a surprising amount of flavor. Gently remove any soft or discolored spots, ensuring only the freshest parts remain. We're aiming for quality, even from what's typically discarded. This careful selection is the first crucial step in crafting our incredibly delicious cucumber dish. It sets the stage for a truly remarkable culinary experience. Now for the magic. Finely dice your cucumber ends into tiny, uniform pieces, about 1/8 of an inch. This maximizes their surface area for absorbing flavor. Next, combine them with 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a generous pinch of salt. Stir in a dash of toasted sesame oil and a sprinkle of fresh dill or cilantro. Let this mixture marinate for at least 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. This simple dressing transforms the scraps into a vibrant, delicious side. Your delicious cucumber creation is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled as a refreshing side dish alongside your favorite meals or as a light, flavorful snack. For an extra touch, sprinkle a few toasted sesame seeds over the top for a delightful crunch. You've successfully transformed what many consider trash into a culinary gem, proving that incredible flavor can come from the most unexpected places. This simple, sustainable method is truly the only way to experience such a unique and satisfying dish. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.